Hello, water. Yes. God damn it, motherfucker. Fuck the
It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, Friday, Friday.
It's Friday. Me and your boy Chet Michaels gets to go home soon. That's right, folks. Now let's get into some news. It's the weekend. Oh. Our first story today, even though we started on a bit of a lighter note, is a very serious one. Hurricane Patricia is coming, folks. And she's hitting the Mexicos like never before. The strongest hurricane to ever been recorded to hit the western hemisphere is currently headed from Mexico, with winds of up to 165 miles per hour. That bitch can blow. But that's beside the point. Our prayers go out to those in Mexico. We hope everybody's alright. If you haven't already, evacuate it. Get to safety. Right now. Get out of there. It's not worth it. That's it for today, folks. We appreciate you tuning in. We're almost at 100 subscribers. It ain't much, but I appreciate the support. I want to thank everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. And so does Mr. Mustache. He really does. Like and subscribe. You'll make him curl up more. Do it, folks. Do it.